Hey everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Digital Marketing Course for Beginners. If you're looking to grow your business, boost your personal brand, or become a marketing pro, you're in the right place. We're breaking down the fundamentals of digital marketing step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation and actionable steps to launch successful campaigns. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is digital marketing? It's all about using online platforms and tools to promote your products or services to reach and engage customers. This includes channels like search engines, social media, email, and paid advertising. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows you to track data, adjust your campaigns in real time, and target specific audiences more effectively. One of the most critical steps in digital marketing is understanding your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their needs and pain points? Create a detailed buyer persona. This is a semi-fictional character that represents your ideal customer. Knowing your audience helps you tailor your messaging, select the right platforms, and craft more effective campaigns. Now, let's break down the key digital marketing channels you'll be using. SEO, search engine optimization. This is how you get found on Google. It's all about optimizing your website's content to rank higher on search engines. Social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok allow you to connect with your audience, share content, and grow your brand. Email marketing. One of the most effective channels for nurturing relationships and driving sales. Building an email list and segmenting your audience are crucial here. PPC, pay-per-click. Advertising. These are paid ads you run on platforms like Google or Facebook. You pay each time someone clicks on your ad. Content marketing. This is all about creating valuable content, like blog posts, videos, and infographics, that attracts, engages, and retains your audience. Now that we know the channels, let's talk about building your digital marketing strategy. Here are the key steps. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? It could be more website traffic, brand awareness, or sales. Make sure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Choose your channels. Based on your goals and audience, decide which digital marketing channels to focus on. For example, if you're selling products to Generation Z, platforms like TikTok or Instagram might be your best bet. Create a content plan. Content is the backbone of your digital marketing. Plan out what type of content you'll create, videos, blogs, social posts, when you'll post it, and which platforms you'll use. Track and analyze results. Digital marketing is all about testing and improving. Use tools like Google Analytics or social media insights to track how your campaigns are performing and adjust accordingly. Chapter 6, SEO Basics for Beginners. Let's focus on SEO for a minute. If you want to be found on search engines like Google, SEO is essential. Here are 3 SEO basics to get started. Keyword research. Find out what words and phrases your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to identify these keywords. On-page optimization. Ensure your website content includes those keywords in a natural way, especially in titles, meta descriptions, and headers. Building backlinks. Getting other websites to link to your content boosts your credibility and improves your rankings. Focus on creating high-quality, shareable content. Chapter 7. Social media marketing best practices. Social media marketing is more than just posting pretty pictures. It's about building relationships and driving engagement. Here's how. Know your platform. Tailor your content to each platform's strengths. Instagram is great for visuals. LinkedIn is ideal for B2B. And TikTok thrives on short, entertaining videos. Consistency is key. Post regularly to stay top of mind. Use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your posts. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, join conversations, and use features like polls or questions to increase interaction. Chapter 8. Measuring success with analytics. Finally, to know if your digital marketing efforts are paying off, you need to measure results. Here are some tools you can use. Google Analytics. Track your website traffic, see where visitors are coming from, and analyze what content is performing best. Social media insights. Each platform has built-in analytics to show how your posts are doing. Look at metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions. Email marketing analytics. Platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit let you track open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates for your campaigns. And there you have it, the foundational steps to becoming a digital marketing pro. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, these tips will help you grow your online presence and reach your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. And let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.